Geeks YouTube channel back out in Santa Clarita. All right, we're here 1 hour before they close. Campers starting to wrap up. I just saw one of the campers wrapping up with his wagon. Starting with the 10.5 Air Max 97s in a colorway I've never seen before. Never seen these before. 2023 release apparently. Photon Dust Machete. Oh, Malech, I don't know. $80. AJKOs right here. Going for 110. Vapor Max down here. $100 for these bad boys. LeBron's right here down to $100. Jordan Crafts going for 170. So what is that? $30 or $40 off? I don't remember if these came out for $2 or $210. But yeah, definitely under retail. That is pretty dope. A little bit high, but pretty dope. Multiple pairs here. It's kind of like a double-edged sword because, you know, the 170, that sucks. But if it was like much cheaper, then we wouldn't even see them, right? So I don't know. I don't know what to think, guys. Jordan 2 lows, $120 right here. Still got these trainers. These trainers have been here for a minute. $60. Holy cow. Flight 95s, $80. Glide Fly Ease. Haven't really seen these in a minute. These are supposed to be easy to put on and off. $60 right next to that Max R4s. $60 for those bad boys. 10.5 Zoom Freak Steel. $60. GT Jump 2s going for $80. Metcon 9s. It looks like the 10s are about to come out soon. $70 for these. Air Force 1s. And these, I just saw these for the first time this past week. These do have the suede. Does have that canvas material. Yeah, these are priced really cheap. $60. $60 effing dollars. Do got some Nike by Use right here, and these are Pegasus. I believe they're Pegasus Fly Ease. Yeah, Pegasus Fly Ease. And if you can find Nike by You, always gonna find deals. $60. They price them way lower than the regular outlets here. More of these 2s. Been seeing these 120. Invincible Run 3s. And this is a Nike by You. Pretty dope colorway. Price point definitely right on these. At $100, dude. $100. That's not bad. Seen a ton of Nike by You. See another one right here. Adil. Nike by Adil. Some Phantom soccer cleats. Usually go for a ton. $70 here. All right, so far we've checked the 10.5. We'll definitely go back to the men's. I saw some interesting stuff right here with the USC Trojans apparel. Long sleeve shirts, $40 down to $15. Got small, also got mediums right here. Saw this here last week. Arizona Wildcats long sleeve shirt. Says $40. I doubt that's $40. Jordan waffle. What are these? Waffle long sleeves? Going for $25. It's like a thermal. Where have I seen these? I think I saw these at the Champs outlet. These are medium. Sweats going for $25. Got Tech Fleece. Tech Fleece down to $60. These are normally $125. Man, Tech Fleece looks nice. More Tech Fleece right here and another color. These are smalls going for $60. More Tech Fleece right here. $60 for this colorway. This is a medium right there. You also have a small. Got some brown sweats right here. Not Tech Fleece, but it is super premium. $50 for these. Cargo pants. These are Nike SB. And yeah, these are pretty nice. These are pretty nice. Regular fit. Got the Nike SB logo right there. $40. That is a 34. That would fit me, but not really buying like that. And I got these thick, super thick sweats right here. 100 down to $50. Got a few of them. I think you can find some better stuff in the apparel section, but just have to look around quite a bit. All right, back to the sneaker section. Size 11s. GT Jump 2s going for $80. Same thing, but different. Going for $80. Guess the one that I did see a couple months ago was priced wrong. Blazers going for $50. We've been seeing these overpriced. It's a lot of the Nike outlets. 140. Yeah, overpriced here too. Damn, 140 for those. Air Max 2090s go for 80. All right, in the size 12s now. Cosmic Unity 3s. Decent colorway here. Looks like a Team Bank or something. $80. Not bad. Saw so many different things the last time we came here a couple weeks ago, and now just the same stuff over and over. Got some cleats right here. Some, I don't know if these are high end, low end. The Academy ones are the cheaper ones, I believe. 25 for those. Eye shots, we've been seeing all the different colorways at the skate shops on sale if you need these. $50. Prestos go for $60. Infinity Run Flyness, why are these still 80? Legacy 312s, I haven't seen these here in forever. Yeah, dude got these, go for 80. I want to say the Legacy 312s, I've seen them cheaper at the retail stores lately, to be honest, or at the same price at least. But yeah, Air Max 1 Premiums, they're priced for $130. That's kind of insane. Definitely been seeing those way cheaper at the regular outlets. $70 for the Prestos right here. We've moved up to the size 13s, by the way. Still seeing the Zion 2s right here go for 60. I like that colorway. I was like, what? Yeah, these are only a size and a half though. But $80 for the Air More Tempos. Air Max 1 Golf, 120. Moving up to the 14s, 150 for the Jordan 1 High Golf with the patent leather. Adjust Force has been seeing these forever here. $60. Seeing them in a few different sizes. Jordan 1 Low Fly Ease right here. 110 for those. Golden Bullets right here. $80. Alright, checking out the floor for a little bit before. Oh my goodness. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? $35. $35. I really should grab these. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I do have a ton of slides though. Like, I mean a ton of slides. I probably close to 20 slides. I really should grab these. This is the size that I need. $35. 35 effing dollars. Dang, I'm gonna have to put it back. You know what? I have to grab these for $35. Yeah, I gotta get them, dog. They're just too cheap. Do got SB slides right here for $20. These are size 11 and 13. It's got a Trojans one right here. These are the Victory slides, I believe. The off-court slides, my bad. The off-court, these are size 8. No price tag. I'm sure this one has a price. No price tag. What the hell? All right, this is going for 20, so I would assume all those are 20 as well. Got the Jordan slides right here for 30. So the signature ones with like a ton of really good material, 35, and then those are 30. What the hell? Got the budget slides right here, the Kawa slides, if you guys need these, for $15. These are mostly grade school though, yeah. 7, 6, and 5. I see a 4 right there too. The SB stuff, they've been having a ton of different graphics and stuff like that. But yeah, I believe these are 35. These are just hella thick. And they got it in this, I don't know, it's not a gray. It's like a gray with like slightly blue tint to it. And these are 40, my bad, $40. I see mediums, I see extra larges. And then of course, gotta have Clippers jerseys, the Kawhi Leonard jerseys. These are all small swingmans for 40. Then got Jordan Poole jerseys. These are all smalls too for 40 as well. ACG jacket right here, extra small though. 165 down to 60, $100 off. Actually over $100 off. Got Tech Fleece right here, super thick material, $60 for this. It is a small though. What the hell's on this? Sweatshirt right here, this is a medium. Don't really know what's going on with this one. 25 for that. This is one of the really thick hoodies right here, $50. Normally $100. A little pricey because I've got most of my hoodies for 40, even the really thick ones, even the SB ones. I have an SB one like that. $50 for this. Is it canvas? I want to say canvas. Jacket right here. It's an XL. Lakers hoodie right here. See, I don't like that. I don't like that logo. It's super thin, but I don't like that new city logo, whatever the heck they're pushing. I like that right there. but not a fan of that. 25 bucks, that's still hella cheap. So that one's an XL, and then this one right here, this one's okay. It says Los Angeles Lakers on it. That's an XL, $35. Normally 95. Did I say 35? $30. 95 down to 30 bucks. This one's not thick at all, but decent material. The tech fleece jackets, I've been seeing these here and there, kind of like a pea coat. And this is tech fleece. Dropped to $80. These are normally like $200-300, dude. Down to 80 bucks. And dang it, I might have accidentally broken. I just turned it slightly, what the hell? And then got a few others. These are all mediums right here. All right, we're moving back to the sneakers. Smaller sizes, 9 and under. I am so curious to see what these dunks are going for. Regular dunks right here, $90. Holy cow. A little bit higher than I thought. Well, there's normally 110, 115, something like that. $80 for these. And this is not, oh damn, this ain't a Nike ID, this ain't a refurb, this ain't nothing. $80, that's a hell of a price. Holy cow. Air Max 1s going for $110. Pricing scheme here is just weird as hell. Jordan 6s, these are golf, going for $150. Why not .6s going for $70. Right here, that's just a hella bright colorway. BRSBs, if you're into the Nike SBs, going for $40. SBs right here, look at this. Look at this. Size 7.5, $100. I'm not a big fan of the color on this one. I did get a chance to get these in the 10.5, but I chose to pass on them. But the material, kind of whatever. Yeah, the suede's just not super soft. They look hella dope. Look hella dope though, but yeah, just not digging them. Not digging them. But 7.5, $100 for those. I can't believe these fools are trying to get $140 for these. That's just insane. Still got these LeBron 2 Midnight Navy, $80. These are 8. These are a size 8. ACG Locates right next to that, going for $40. Whoa, these are interesting. Jordan 1 Mules right here. So kind of like a Jordan 1 low, kind of like a slide. Yeah, that's just, yeah, I'm good on those. I'm good on those. What are these going for? $90. Size 7.5, go for $70. Jordan 2s. Another 7.5. These are going for $170. Is this? Which one is this? Oh yeah, I haven't seen these. I was like, is this a Dornbecker? No, I haven't seen these in a while, a couple years. These came out. Damn, I thought these were a couple years ago. No, these just came out late 2023. Okay. Infinity Run 4s going for $80. Then size 7 Air Max 97s, last one right here, going for $80. You know what? I'm gonna make a prudent decision. I'm gonna throw this back, dude. I don't need 500 slides, dude. I really do have. I think I have like 10 or 12, just the Jordan Hydros alone. So yeah, I'm gonna put those back. Dang it. I like those. I do like them, but I need to be a little more sensible right now. All right, I need to kind of get going. So probably a shorter video. I need to go watch the Cal State Northridge game. They're in the conference playoffs. Also have a Laker game on going on right now, so I need to go watch those games. Definitely gonna have to come back. This is the women's section. Definitely gonna have to come back to check out the women's as well as the grade school. All right, we're out, dude. We're out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help our way out. Press that like button if you're new, subscribe. Then make sure you guys stay tuned. Our goal is to get you guys a video every day. We'll be out in Northern California for a day tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get as many videos as possible. That's about it, man. Thanks for supporting the channel, y'all. Tuesday, so another round of MB2, more of this. And look, it's getting serious. He has his own helmet now. It's getting serious. Let's go, fool. Let's go. All right, I didn't take any footage, I forgot, but finally broke 21 seconds. Finally broke 21 seconds. Been working on that for a couple of weeks now. Okay. What is it, 4th out of 6? Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. Qualifying round 2. Evan, he told you to stop for a sec. Yeah. I'll tell you when he says go. I'll tell you when he says go. All right, good. All right, round 2. Let's go, fool. Go, fool. All right, what, 6 people? There's a total of 12. I think 10 qualify for the last race or for the finale. See what happens. 5th out of 6th place, but he was in with the faster group, so I think he's gonna be in the top 6. Top 6 out of 12, 13 people, and they're all adults. He's only kiddo. Not bad, not bad. We'll see how he does on the actual race, on the actual Grand Prix. Finished in 9th place, not bad, not bad. For the first time doing the actual Grand Prix.